Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at how to create custom activities for your HUR strength machines in the HUR SmartTouch system. Custom activities are most widely used for the HUR pulley machine. While several default pulley exercises are built into the SmartTouch system, as you may know, there are countless exercises that can be done with a pulley. All of that to say, please keep in mind that custom activities can be created for other HUR machines as well. Now let's dive in. After you have logged into your HUR SmartTouch software, you will want to first go to the little wrench icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down, select Activities. Next, select the Add New option on the left side of your screen. Under Target, select the machine for which you would like to add your custom activity. In this case, I am choosing the pulley machine. Under Parent Activities, you will see a list of available activities for the machine you have chosen. In this case, I'm going to create a brand new custom activity. When creating a new custom activity for the pulley, we recommend choosing the Pulley Basic option. Next, name your activity here. For this example, I'm creating a downward chop exercise for the pulley. After you have named the activity, you can add a new image here. It is best if the image is square with the same width and height. Otherwise, it will be forced into a square shape and may distort your image. You won't see the image change until after you have created the activity. At the time of making this training session, video streaming is not available for custom activities on HUR strength machines, but that may change in the future. Next, if you want to add special instructions that appear on the machine display for the clients to see, enter that text here. The comments section is only for your purposes and will not be seen by the client on the machine's display. I'm going to leave it blank and click the Create button. If you have added a different picture, this is when and where you will see it. If you make any more edits, select the Save Changes button. To see the custom activities that you have added, select the All Activities list from the menu on the left and go to the end of your list. Here you will see the new activities and you can either edit or delete them. But if you delete them, they are gone for good. Going back to adding a new activity, you may notice that some of the pulley activities, such as the hip abduction, are done with one leg at a time, but do not list separate left leg and right leg versions. Rather than creating a custom activity for the left and right leg, some customers prefer to just add a set for each limb when creating training templates for clients, and maybe adding instructions such as one set per leg. However, if you wanted to create a custom activity for each limb, such as hip abduction left and hip abduction right, you could do that here. After selecting the exercise, simply rename it hip abduction left. In this case, you could probably use the same picture for both the left and right leg, or you could change that here if you wish. Next, add your description if needed, then click Create. After you have done this, repeat the process for the right leg. I have sped up the video for the sake of time. When this is completed, the hip abduction left and hip abduction right are ready to be added to training templates or individual client training programs. We will look at how to do this in a moment. After you have added your custom activity, it cannot be seen or performed on the machine until after you have made an update to the tablet. This is a very important step that cannot be left out. To do this, go to the machine tablet and tap the machine name at the top of the screen 5 times. Next, select the Settings button. You will then be asked for a 4-digit code. For all pulleys, the code is 8000. The 4-digit code for all other machines is the machine's model number. This number is also part of the machine's serial number and can be found on the back of the plate at the bottom of the machine. It is the 4-digit number that appears after the letters ST or STE. For example, if the model number is STE3125, the 4-digit code would be 3125. If you have any issues with this, you can always contact us for help. Next, after you have entered the 4-digit code, select Application Settings. Then, select Setup Equipment and your new custom activity is added. After this, select Back to Settings, then select Exit Settings, and you should now see your new activity listed on the display with the others. Now that we've added custom activities and updated the machine's tablet, let's quickly look at adding these new activities to your training templates or to a client's training program that already exists. For a more detailed look at creating and editing training templates and training programs, please see our other training sessions on these topics. To add the new custom activities to an existing training template, select the Edit option of the training template you wish to add the new activities to, then go to the Contained Activities tab. Next to Activities, select the plus symbol to add the custom activity. Here, I have a lot of activities that you will likely not have. If you don't see your activity, you can click the 3 dots here to expand the list of activities, or you can go to the Group option and select HUR Machine Exercises, and you should see the custom activities you have added. Simply click and drag them where you want them in your list of activities. Double-clicking the activity will also add them, but put them at the bottom of your activities list. Your new custom activities are now added to that training template. If you wish to add them to other training templates, just select a different training template and follow the same procedure. Now let's look at adding the custom activities to a client's existing training program. First, select the Clients tab from the menu at the top. Next, select the client to whom you wish to add the custom activities to. Once in their profile, select Training Programs from the menu on the left. Similar to the way we added activities in the training templates, select the plus symbol here to add the activities and go through the same process we did with the training templates, and you are finished. And that's it. This concludes the session on creating custom activities in HUR SmartTouch. I hope this has been helpful, and I wish you and your clients the absolute best.